Okay, first of all, let's get this thing working. So you're gonna want to get yourselves 2 of these. Here we go. Just discovered it has 3 modes. 1, 2, and 3. So essentially for adjusting how bright you want it to be. 30 LEDs, and that's how you apply it. Let's check it out. Or the other way around if you want it for the back camera. It's as simple as that. You can start using now. These are pretty easy to get, I would say. You can just Google LED smartphone light or whatever, iPhone selfie LED ring lights, and you can find like hundreds of these. These kind of beginner ones and simpler ones, maybe less powerful ones, for about 5 to 10, 15 euros maybe. Then if you're going for something a bit more powerful and professional, maybe something from 20 to 40 euros. It really helps a lot filming, for example, in the dark, and just essentially filming and the brightness of the video quality. Generally, it helps a lot in recording with brightness and overall video quality. Now, to show you this and resemble this, I'm gonna give you some examples. First, some videos without the LED ring, and then another exact same video, but recorded with the LED ring. So let's see the difference. We're taking pictures. So it really does have a nice positive impact on your photo or video material. So I'd say, to sum up, it's a really good addition to your YouTube filming gear starter pack, and it does improve your material by quite a bit, and it's also not that costly, not too expensive, and comes with many great features, and also is very simple, very easy to use and apply. Cheap and good quality with a lot of benefits. So that'll be it for today. Thanks for watching. I hope the video made it easier for you to make a choice. If you enjoyed the video and it did help you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more new videos. And yes, I think that's it. Hopefully, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.